What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Tyson, and today I finally got the last part that I need to finally get this car primed. Alright, so if some of you guys can remember, I've said in previous videos that this is my old Valence, and it is basically beyond repair. I don't know if you can really see, but it is beat up quite bad and a little bit rusty and whatnot. So basically, what I did was I got a new one and I decided to go with the fiberglass one. I will dig into it and show you guys what we're working with. It's definitely a really big box. Alright, so here is the fiberglass Valence. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but... So this piece goes on underneath here. It attaches here and then goes around, attaches to the bottom there in the middle. And I don't have a fender on. Attaches to the other fender right here.
A few moments later.
Alright, it's been quite a few days. I was honestly hoping to get this car primed in this video, but the more finishing touches I do and the more I look around the car, I just keep finding more and more stuff to do. I haven't really been able to get into the shop to work on the car lately, but hopefully, as of now, I should be able to get in here more and start working on the car again. I find it way easier to video the stuff that I need to do. Like when I video it, I find I get a lot more done. So for that reason being, I'm going to be videoing things that need to get done before this car gets primed. I've laid it out into different body parts, and so what I'll be starting on is this front driver fender, and that's what you're about to watch, so here we go. Though my time for this front fender is going to be cut short today, I'll get back in here as soon as I can, but right now, I've got to go eat and then I have to do some stuff after I eat. If I have time after I'm done everything and I'm able to get back out here, I will, but if not, I'll probably skip to another day.
Later.
Same day, different time, different shirt, different hat. Now let's get back to work. Here's why the stage I'm at is one of the most important stages of the car. I was just doing my thing, getting rid of some pinholes, and I noticed there is quite a big dent here, and one that I have not noticed before, so that's why I don't want to rush things. Because if I would have been like, oh, let's get her primed, I wouldn't have known about this dent, and it would really show up badly in the paint. Now I'm pretty sure it's all low, but there might be a little bit of high spots, but I think I'm going to fill this right now, and then I think I'm going to be done for the day, so let's go. already. Hopefully that doesn't turn out too bad. And I guess I have school tomorrow, so with that, on to another day. Since that day, I've actually done a lot, and well, I marked this fender done, except for it needs to be welded here, and then probably add some body work, and these pinholes in the top needs to be filled where I used to have my antenna. And also I have marked off a lot of other panels on the car, so the majority of the car is ready for primer, and there's not much else I can do on my own. I'm gonna need my dad to help me finish up the rest of the stuff that needs to be done. But there is one thing that I'm gonna do right now, which is take these panels off. I don't know, I'll show you on the other side. It's kind of that panel right there. I gotta take them off because they are going to get primed. Okay, well, this piece right here is attached to this piece right here, which goes all the way, and then it attaches to this piece right here, because I can't get it off of this, and I can't get it unattached from this piece. Okay, so it's like not really attached here. It was kind of just wedged in between it, like to kind of keep it in place, so it should just pop. Actually pop the whole thing off, never mind. And so this whole piece just popped off. I'm not sure, not sure really exactly how it was attached, but I'll try and figure that out. But the important thing is we got these two pieces off of the car, and now I just need to do it to that side real quick. There they are, both laid out. The second one went a lot easier than the first one. So with that step being done, it doesn't leave a whole lot of things left to do before this car is actually 100% ready for primer. We are going to take the doors and the hood off before we do prime the car. And we are going to prep the shop before we actually primer it. So I doubt I'll like prep the shop on video and stuff, but those are just some more things that we have to do, and then the finishing touches, and then I have to prep these. And then the full car has to be gone over with degreaser and maybe something else, I forget. But for now, I think I'm just gonna prep these black things, and then the video will probably be over. So you guys just watched a little bit of time lapse on this one, and I did this one too. It does need a little bit of body work, as you can see here. It's kind of dented-ish on the corner there, which will be fine. I can do that. But with that, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because, like I said, there's some more stuff to do, but I'm probably not gonna video it. And if I do, it'll be in the next video, which will be the primer video. So hopefully we can get this thing primed as soon as we can, then I can get the video out to you guys. And with that, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit a thumbs up down below. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks for staying to the end if you're still here. And I'll see you next time.